We could drive along an ocean reflecting the sun, or make a bed of green atop a wide open scene. Under a canvas of blue, I would draw ever nearer to you, to feel the dew on your skin. That is how it would begin. For summer is for falling in love. Lightness of being, we both know to be fleeting, like the last breath of a sunset right before the day is dead. But maybe the heat of today could keep even winter away. So I'll remember your laugh, 'cause nothing ever changes the fact that summer is for falling in love. Da-dun-da-dun-day. Summer is for falling in love.
So, hi, hello, and mother freaking welcome to another video. It's been a while since I've made a video again, and I am on my way to a Yamaha shop to get my 40,000 kilometer service done. At the moment I am clocking 40,317 kilometers, which means that I am actually overdue for this service. I thought I wouldn't be able to have the bike for as long as I've had it. Right now it's the 23rd of November. Even though I haven't been riding it, it has been in the garage collecting dust, unfortunately. But now it's time to put it away. So as you can see, the main roads are mostly dry, but the back roads, dominated by a lot of shadows and stuff like that, isn't necessarily that. They might be wet, they might be icy, who knows. As you can see right here, it is wet, and I'll probably be hitting some wet roads when we go off the highway. If you've been following me on Instagram, you might have noticed that I've gone completely dark. I've done what is called a total blackout on the Instagrams, which means that the app itself, Instagram, is not installed on any of my devices at the moment. I am taking a complete and wholeheartedly break from Instagram, specifically, and all other social media apps, I guess. The only social media thing that I still use is Facebook for connecting with people that I know and stuff like that. Also YouTube, I guess, which is technically a video player but has turned into like a social network, which is where you'll see this video, hopefully. So what this means is that I won't post anything, I won't do anything, but if you do want to keep in touch, Instagram is usually the best way to do that. But this winter I just need to log completely off, I think. But I am not staying completely away from everything Drakenhoff related, I guess, because I am indeed planning for the next season, which will be super freaking interesting. I'm trying to work on like a schedule and really stay on top of everything next year, that is. So hopefully there will be a little bit more consistency on the channel than it has been this year. Because this year, you know, we just, I don't know, I just connected so freaking well with a bunch of new people riding with them. And that means that I don't know, in the moment, I guess I kind of forgot. You know, YouTube just feels a little bit more casual because I put out a video and then I leave it be. But Instagram, I'm being active, chatting with people, you know, liking photos, I guess. And I'm much more active on Instagram compared to, like, for example, YouTube, and it feels good. Yeah, the whole idea of doing this blackout thing is that I am evolving myself, I guess, and working with myself instead of trying to achieve numbers of likes and engagements and, you know, stuff like that. But man, I can't actually, to some more, like, I guess, positive notes, I can't believe how freaking awesome this motorcycle season has been. Every time I'm done with like a motorcycle season or done riding for the season, I'm thinking to myself, you know what, this season I can't possibly, or there is no way I am topping this season next season. Every season I've thought that. I think I have like 4 seasons right now on my hands. I started in 2016, it's 2020. Yeah, that seems right. So I'm just blown away, I guess, over how freaking awesome every season has been. And this one, wow, we could almost call it the track day season, I guess. Interesting, really, how much a track day, or not just one but multiple, can improve your riding experience, skill, and making sure that you're safe. I was actually gonna go off here, but I started rambling a little bit, so I guess I'll have to do something about that, because I was gonna go up here, like right up here. Oh, look, a motorcycle! Hello! Oh, that's interesting. Hi, I saw you yesterday, I think. Wow, I didn't think I'd see a motorcycle on the road while I'm on the road. Hey, what's up, my dude? He was not entertained at all. Oh, this is actually faster than what I was going to do originally, so that's nice. So, Mr. Tesla, you can go. And Audi, you can also go, that's fine. I'm not in a hurry. I am currently just trying to survive these roads. And yeah, nothing else at the moment. Oh, I realized I forgot. I was going to talk about the R6 as well. The R6 is being discontinued from 2021. That means that in 2021 there will be no new R6, which means that the legacy of the R6 is dead. But I am predicting that in 2 years' time we will see a triple engine, aka the MT09 engine, in an R6 type of body, I guess. Well, I'm not predicting. I'm really freaking hoping that they do this, because That is what I want. I basically want a Daytona 765 in just an R6 and Yamaha. And damn, it would be awesome if Yamaha came out with a triple to battle the Daytona 765. I'm not saying it's very likely, but it's my dream. If I could, I would put this engine in an R6 body. That would probably cost a lot of money. You know, just riding this motorcycle now, I realize I'm a lot more happy now than I was when I started riding. So it's gonna be interesting. It's gonna be interesting over the winter, I guess. But I'm gonna try to keep positive, stay positive. You won't see any of it. Maybe I might log on Instagram tomorrow. I've actually arrived at my my destination here. So hopefully they're still open. So thank you guys so freaking much for watching this video, last video. There might be more videos, but this is the latest to this date, the latest video. Boy, have a great time.